Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 8th. Welcome to your lecture of English. This is your instructor Aisha Salim. I hope that every one of you is doing well at home and enjoying your summer holidays very well. As you all know that we are making helping videos related to your summer holidays homework. So you can do it easily without any query. It is our second video and today we are going to start with page number 6. You can see the command above, translate into Urdu. So as you can see that there are two paragraphs here that you all have to translate in Urdu on the given lines. Okay students, so first paragraph is related to rain and let me read the paragraph. Rain during the summer season are considered best. I stay in Delhi and we usually witness rains from the mid of June till the end of June. This is one of the best times of the year. Rainy day in summer season is particularly good as we can drench in the rain during this time, unlike winters when we have to stay indoors and can enjoy rain only from our window or balcony. Students, this paragraph is really very easy and I don't think so that there is any difficult word in this paragraph. So translate it in Urdu. Remember that this translation is a practice and आप लोगों को ये practice जो है बहुत helpful लगेगी, आप लोगों के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल ये प्रूफ हो साबित होगी. सो आप लोगों ने इसको करना है. अंडरस्टूड. सो मूविंग टूवर्ड्स फॉरवर्ड, हियर इज़ द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ and it is related to parents love. Okay, so let me read it for you. Parents love their children with all their heart. They look after their children in every way. They are willing to sacrifice their own happiness for their children's happiness and well-being. Parents love their children without any expectations. When parents scold their children, it is for the children's welfare and it is backed by the parents' love. Likewise, when parents deny their children something, it is in the children's larger interest as they love them dearly and wish them all. So students, second paragraph is also really very easy and it is related to your parents' love and there is also not any difficult word. So you all have to translate these two paragraphs in Urdu. Moving towards forward on page number 7. Here you all have to write down a paragraph on the following topic, and the topic is how can we save our family from COVID-19? So students, I know that every one of you is must familiar with the COVID-19 as we all have suffered very much from the past 1.5 years. So you all have to write some things that how can you save your family from COVID-19. दैट आप लोग क्या करोगे, आप लोग ख़ुद क्या करोगे अपने आप को कोविड-19 से सेव करने के लिए, अपनी फैमिली को सेव करने के लिए. एज यू नो all the SOPs that we all have to wear mask and we all have to do sanitization and हम लोगों को एक दूसरे से थोड़ा सा फासले के साथ रहना है and all these things and गॉड फॉरबिड अगर किसी को कोविड-19 हो जाए तो उसको किस तरीके से उस पेशेंट को डील करना है आपकी फैमिली में से, लाइक उसको क्वारंटीन में रखना है एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. सो इस तरीके की चीज़ों को आप लोगों ने यहाँ पर लिखना है. एंड आप लोग अगर ख़ुद भी आपने कोई ऐसी कोई चीज़ अपनी फैमिली में या अपनी सराउंडिंग में विटनेस किया किसी पेशेंट को, कोविड-19 के पेशेंट को, सो आप उससे रिलेटेड चीज़ें भी यहाँ लिख सकते हैं. एंड उसके अलावा आप लोगों को यहाँ पे जो है आप लोगों ने सारे SOPs को भी डिस्कस करना है इस पैराग्राफ में. Understood? So, last page for today. It's a comprehension passage. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज के लिए आई नो दैट आई होप दैट यू मस्ट नो कि हमें क्या करना होता है. हियर इज़ अ पैराग्राफ and it is related to birds, okay, especially pigeons. So you all have to read the paragraph very carefully and then you all have to write answers of the questions given below. So I hope that you can do it easily by your own self. So students, this is that's all for now and I hope that आप लोग अच्छे तरीके से अपना holiday homework कर रहे होंगे घर में. That's all for now. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz everyone.